if you are not able to rank your website on the top searches of Google, that means that something is wrong in your website. Either you are not able to do right kind of on-page SEO, or maybe you are struggling with off-page SEO. But in this video, I'm gonna tell you a secret strategy through which you can secure ranking for most of the keywords in which you will find very less difficulty. All you have to do is watch the video till the very end, because I'm going to tell you my secret strategy through which I am securing millions of impressions on my website. As you can see, this is not a screenshot, this is a live dashboard of GSC. So what you have to do is, like, you have to select the website for which you want to find out the keywords, right? And then you, instead of like going into the 3 months, you have to come back to the 28 days session, so that like we can find out which keywords has got recent ranking in the searches for this website. After that, what you have to do is, like, you have to scroll down, and then you have to find out the keywords directly from your GSC. So what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm gonna quickly go to, let's say, 41 to 50 keywords, and then I'm gonna select some of the keywords directly from here. So for example, like, let's say I'm gonna select social science class 6th NCRT book. Just copy this keyword, and then you have to go to your Semrush account, and then come towards the keyword overview section. After that, paste the keyword, the one keyword that we have selected so far. So you can paste it as many keywords as you want, but so far I've selected only just one keyword. So I'm gonna check the keyword difficulty for this along with the volume of this keyword. So if you just click on search, then you will see that this keyword has a volume of 3.6k, and volume difficulty is still not available. But if you look at in the SEMrush the keyword variations of this keyword, then you will be able to see that they have more data for you. So now they have NCRT books class 6 to 8 social science and Hindi, which has a volume of 590, along with only 21 keyword difficulty, guys. Then you have another keyword, NCRT social science book class 6 in Hindi PDF download. Volume is 390 and keyword difficulty is only 30. This is how you can find out the keyword difficulty for your keywords. So what you have to do, you have to create a list of all those keywords which have decent number of volume. For example, like, if I'm thinking to target this keyword, NCRT social science book class 6, it only has a keyword difficulty of 42 with a 3.6k volume. So what you have to do, create a list. So let's say you go into this list. So let me just quickly go into this list. I'm quickly gonna create this list right now. So write down the keyword, write down the volume, write down the keyword difficulty, right? After that, you have to paste the keyword from here. So let's say this is my keyword. It has a volume of how much? 3.6k, 3.6k, and keyword difficulty is 42. This way you have to mention down all the keywords for which you think has a low keyword difficulty and has a decent volume, guys. Now, why I use Google Search Console, the only reason is that I want to try out those keywords which has got ranking for my content. So if I just select this keyword now, and if I just go ahead and, like, let me just select this keyword. Now you see I got the average position of 8.2 with 3 clicks and 162 impressions, right? I'm still getting some impressions from this keyword, but the problem is the position, I believe. So let's see what's the position I'm getting. So I am getting position of 8.7, 9.3, 7.8, 7.4. That means that I'm getting decent position. But if I just gonna check it on the searches, then you have to also see whether this keyword, the keyword is basically social science class 6 class 6 NCRT book, and the page that is ranking is NCRT class 6 exploring society social science 2024 edition, right? So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just simply gonna search this keyword on the Google, so that I can see what is happening on the internet right now. So you see, I am ranking not in the first page, guys. That is the reason why I'm not getting so many, not much impressions, and the position that I'm getting is, according to Google, is 9.3, 8.7. This position keeps on varying. It is not telling you at which time it got you ranked, but it is the general, very general in nature right now. So what I have to do is, like, I have to secure the ranking for this keyword, because I can see that this keyword has a very decent volume, and if I get the topmost ranking for this keyword, which has a very low difficulty, so that means that I can drive more traffic to my website. That is my ultimate goal. The same way, what I'm gonna do now is, again, just deselect this keyword, filter out, like remove all the filters, again come back to 28 days, and then again go back to the queries session. And now what you have to do is, again, like, go to, let's say, this time I'm gonna go towards the 61 to 70, and you see I am getting 12.6 position for this keyword. So let me just simply copy this keyword, NCRT books class 12th biology, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm quickly gonna check it out on Semrush again. So just copy the exact keyword that you have just copied from your GSC, and you see it has a 4.4k volume, and with, again, keyword difficulty is not available. I'm not sure why this is happening, but see, you get a point. This keyword has a very decent volume, and you are also getting, I think, no keyword difficulty. But if you look at the variations around this keyword, then you can see all the keywords that people are searching around your targeted keyword. And now you can filter out on the basis of keyword difficulty. So let's say I want to filter out on the basis of, from, in the increasing order, not in the decreasing order. So you see, now I got the keywords which has only 18 keyword difficulty and 210 volume. This keyword has 23 difficulty and 170 volume, 32 difficulty and 320 volume. So this way I can filter out all those keywords which has a decent number of volume along with very low keyword difficulty. So if you find out such keywords, you will be able to rank faster, as your competitors might not be targeting this keyword, and that is why it has a very low difficulty level, guys. So your keyword lies inside your GSC only. If you have published a lot of content, then do not research for the new keywords. Find out what is ranking for you in the past, what has ranked for you in the past, what is ranking for you currently, and search those keywords and try to secure topmost ranking on those keywords for your website. I hope you like the video. If you still have any doubt how to find out low keywords difficulty keywords, you can comment down under this video, and I would be able to assist you further.